Hello everyone, how are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, different jute craft and jute burlap craft ideas. So hope you like all ideas and collections. So one by one latest jute burlap craft ideas, you can watch this video. Most beautiful, most demanding articles, beautiful, gorgeous, latest and stylish different articles. It's a very beautiful, amazing, latest, outstanding designer jute burlap craft like this. This one's a very beautiful jute bottle craft ideas. All ideas is very creative. One by one latest, stylish, different, creative jute burlap craft. You can watch this video. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. Very beautiful, extra gorgeous, highly demanding jute burlap crafts like this frame, this bottle, this table runners and many more. It's a very useful, very creative Christmas jute burlap crafts. All crafts is very beautiful, very attractive for beginners. This craft is very useful, highly demanding and very amazing and very perfect for beginners. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. It's a very beautiful, highly demanding and very creative jute burlap crafts. All craft is very amazing, very beautiful, very stylish. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Most beautiful, most demanding, different collection and different ideas. This one's a very beautiful, very useful and very stylish. You can make it very easily at home. And if you want to see others ideas, craft ideas, so you can visit in my channel. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. It's a very beautiful, very creative Christmas home decoration ideas, most demanding articles. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Like this. It's a very beautiful, very creative, very most demanding article. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching my videos. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.